Welcome back once again. In this short video, I will show you my initial impressions of my new printer, an EPSON ET-8550, or also called L8180 on some markets. The printer is an A3 plus size 13 by 19 inch sheet paper printer. It can also print 13 inch by 80 inch, which is 2 meters long roll paper, but I mostly will use on A3 size. This short video is just showing my first impressions directly after I filled all the tanks with inks and initialized the printer. So relax and enjoy. Starting up was very easy. It was basically just start printing. Initially I tried through a USB stick. That works as well, and there is really nothing to complain about, except that I think the software, the EPSON software is a bit primitive. It doesn't have so many features which I would like to have. For example, you can't really set any other type of paper than EPSON, and there is, if I remember well, there is one generic photo paper, but then you can only select glossy. So I wish EPSON had a bit of a better support for other papers also, not just their own. I didn't create any ICC profiles, but still the colors of a mixture of images from different ages. I think the oldest one is from 2006, and the newest is about 13 years old. These pictures were taken with an Olympus, two different Olympus cameras and one Nikon D300S. And I'm very happy with the colors, regardless of which camera I used. I didn't make any other changes. The development was just for screen, not specifically for printing, and still the colors are, in my opinion, wonderful. The only thing I encountered is that if the pictures are printed in standard quality, then I don't know if you can see it, but on this side, which is the shadow side of the same picture, the picture is falling apart, sort of. I don't know how to call that, but it's really not nice. But as soon as I switch to high quality, there is no more problem with shadows. So actually it turns out to be very nice. I am very happy with it. Of course I'm not going to use for such small pictures, but I had a box of this old Kodak paper, and I wanted to try if I can use them, and actually I can. I also have a lot of other photo paper which I will try to use, but those are much larger. Anyway, to start with, it's always better with this in small size, because if anything goes wrong, it means you waste a lot of ink and paper. And in my case, I actually only printed three pictures before I realized that it must be the resolution, the print quality resolution, not the actual image quality resolution, which caused the problem. And in this case, I mean, all colors are as nice as they look like in reality. So I'm very happy with it. Okay, I will try to print and show how fast and quiet the printer is, but I will use EPSON print layout instead of the software which came with the printer. The EPSON print layout can be downloaded from the EPSON site free of charge, but it looks like it's a better software. One thing I discovered is that it doesn't allow me to select paper tray 1 for some reason. I don't know why. This printer has 2 paper trays, one for ordinary printing paper and one for small size photo paper. And for this test I just loaded the paper tray with photo paper and see if it finds it anyway. There is a setting for automatically find the paper, but I will see if it works. So now it's time to print from start. Currently the printer is in sleep mode, so you will see from start to print. The printing is through wireless, which means it takes a while to transfer all the data, but it went quite fast for this small size paper. What I noticed is that the printer software actually found the right paper tray, so the printing is fine regarding the selection of paper tray. This is what happens if you print on the wrong side of the paper. The ink will never dry and the picture will look horrible. But that's easily fixed. Just turn around. I forgot that it actually enters the printer and then it is of course turned inside the printer. So, start again. Now using EPSON print layout once again. If you want to know about the progress of your printing, you can actually open the lid and you can see the printing inside and the print head moving. And I can immediately say that the quality this time is completely different. Now it looks wonderful. So let's continue printing. I printed several other images. All came out very nice, even though the paper is an old Kodak non-profiled paper. But it seems that both colors, contrast and details are very nice. Not only in color pictures, but also some black and white. And the color cast, some people are talking about when printing black and white is nowhere visible in my images. I don't know why or why they get this color cast, but probably it's a setting question or it is not really printed from a black and white photo. Anyway, for me, all images in real life look very nice. In the end, I used up all the 4 by 6 inch paper I had, but that was the idea also. I wanted to print many images to say that one, that the printer is working, and two, also that it is possible to print good quality photographic images on non-EPSON paper also. The papers I ordered are not only 4 by 6 inch size, but also 13 by 19. So in the next video, I will also show large prints. Not the largest the printer can print, but A3 plus size, or 13 by 19 inch. The largest paper this printer can print on is, as I said before, 13 by 80 inch, which is very long. And I have no ambitions to print in that size, at least not for now. Okay, thank you very much once again, and welcome back next time. And in the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Thank you and goodbye.